lowercase letter I, you will need a pencil, a ruler, and a piece of paper. We're going to draw a straight line across the center of our paper. This is our horizon line, just like with our 1 point. This is our horizon line. We are then going to make 2 vanishing points on each end, one over here and one over here, so that we have 2 points on each end of our horizontal horizon line. There are 2 rules for a 2-point perspective. The rules are the lines can either go to the vanishing points or they can go straight up and down. I'm going to draw my corner of my eye by drawing a line straight up and down, and I have a bottom and a top. There should be a little bit of space at the bottom of your paper and a little bit of space at the top of your paper. I'm going to put a point on each end. I'm going to make my eye a little bit shorter than I've got it here, so I'm going to erase this right here so I leave a little bit more room, because I'm going to want to put that dot on there also. Alright, so we're going to go to the 2 points. The bottom is going to go to the vanishing point onto the right, and it's going to go to the vanishing point on the left. Then you're going to do the same thing with the top point. The top is going to go to the vanishing point on the left, and the top is going to go to the vanishing point on the right. Now we need to draw the sides. So we have the corner, we need a side. That side line is going to go straight up and down. So you're going to decide how skinny you want it. If you want it really skinny, draw it right next to the corner. If you want it to be a little bit fatter, draw a little bit further away from the corner line. Straight up and down in between those 2 lines that you drew. And then we're going to move it over here about the same distance, and we'll draw another line for the other side. Using the bottom of your paper, if you line up your ruler with the bottom of the paper, you'll be able to have a straight line going up and down. Alright, so this is our line, or this is our eye. We don't need these in here, so we can erase this. And we don't need this line up here, so we can erase this line. Just like with our 1-point perspective, you're going to be doing a lot of erasing, so you always want to draw lightly. Now you're going to put the top of the dot of the eye. We're going to do the corner again, so we're just going to extend that corner up a little bit here. And then I have the bottom of my dot, and I have the top of my dot. You're going to do the same thing you just did with your eye. Draw a line from each of those dots to the vanishing points. Remember, you just got to line that up with a vanishing point, and it will go in that direction. If it's below the horizon, it'll go up. If it's above the horizon, it'll go down. Okay, then we need to do the sides. Just like we did the side on the bottom, we need to do the side on the top. So we can just extend this line right here so that it goes up right there, and we can extend the line right here so it goes straight up. Okay, and there we have the top dot, but there is a little problem. Our dot does not have a bottom. It has 2 sides and a corner, but no bottom. So you can erase this part right here, and then we're going to add that bottom part. The rule is your line either has to go straight up and down or to a vanishing point. This corner line here is going to go to the opposite vanishing point all the way on this side. So I'm going to draw that line right there, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this point. It's going to go to the opposite vanishing point. And I'm going to draw just like that. And I can stop right where it hits, where it touches each other and intersects. I can stop right there. I don't need to go all the way to the vanishing point. I just need to make sure that my ruler or my straight edge is lined up with that vanishing point. So here you go. There it is, a lowercase I.